This is the job that you want?
Yes.
They're down there, you know? They're down there. One of them down there. One of the firefighters down there on that side. You see? They're gonna spread go all the way back down there. See that? Right there. It's in the tree. I can't see you. They're trying to out up here. So they're working. Some of them are over there monitoring the fire from over there. They're soaking up here so it doesn't spread back to this side.